It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. Let's talk about the Jordan 11 Retro Neapolitan. But before we do, I want to thank everybody out there that been rocking with your boy. I finally hit 500 subs, and I want to say thank you. I appreciate it. All right. Now, when it comes to these shoes, man, I just a little upset they didn't make them, big enough for your boy to rock, but it's okay. I didn't hit on the shock drop for my wife, so I went on and got her those Jordan 1 mid, black and gold, and those fire. I can't believe a lot of people slept on those, but yeah. So we just got these for my nieces for Christmas, all right? And didn't hit on no raffle. Hibbit didn't show your boy no love. Who else? I think it was Foot Locker. Foot Locker didn't show your boy no love. Cause on Foot Locker I was trying to get them for my sister-in-law. So this morning, got up, went to Hibbit, not that far from my house, and they was like, yeah, our store didn't get them. You might want to try Memorial City Mall. And I'm like, well, what about, the other Hibbit down the street? I don't think they got them either. I said, what about Katie Mills? I don't think they got them either. I say, what? Man, I can't believe it. Okay, so I'm calling other stores. Went to the outlet mall. I don't know why I went to the outlet mall. That was crazy. But I gave up because I'm like, man, I see sizes available online, but I want the shoe now. Not only, for my nieces, but to do, the review for y'all. So I gave up. I said, man, forget it. Went to Best Buy, bought some stuff, a little TV for the garage. Then later on that night, went to hang out with my family, a little drive-through light show for Christmas, a little Christmas thing. And I went to the mall, Katie Mills Mall. And Foot Locker, they were like, well, we don't have them either. Try Memorial City Mall. Man, second time hearing that. I called Foot Locker in Memorial City Mall. They said, man, we have a lot of kids sizes. Now it's damn near 7:30. I'm like, damn, I'm tired. And that's a little drive, from that mall to that mall, but it is what it is. So, went over there. All right, y'all, made it to Memorial City Mall. Let's see what they talking about. They had the sizes for me, and I think they had some bigger sizes too, women. All right, we got them, y'all. We got them. Boy, got them. Yes, sir. I thought this shoe sold out completely. I get home, looking at the apps, and I see Foot Locker on their app still have sizes. You know what I'm saying? Nike sneakers app, they sold out, but they have a few sizes left in women. Okay, and Hibbit, all sizes sold out on their app, okay? And I don't think none of the Hibbit stores probably, maybe none of the stores have this shoe. Correct me if I'm wrong, all right? And just let me know, how was y'all experience with these shoes? Did y'all get them? Y'all didn't get them, or they ugly? You know what I'm saying? Because I think they fly. I'll ride them if they had my size, all right? Let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Now, right here we have 9C. I think Cookie, she's 2 years old. 9C. Hey, how old is Cookie? Okay, Cookie's 2 years old. She wear 9C. And Moo Moo is 4 years old. This for her, 13C. All right. And by the time I went a little bigger, so by the time Christmas comes, they'll be ready. And if not, they'll go into them. All right. So let's start with the 9C first. All right. And that's their nickname, y'all. All right. Moo Moo Cookie. All right, here we go. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's that 9C, y'all. That's that 9C. That's that 9C. What you think? Oh, it's a beautiful shoe. It's a beautiful shoe. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Look at that. That's beautiful, y'all. Look at the little jump man. Oh. Look at the little jump man. Look at the pull tab. I can't believe it. What's this? 23. 23. On back of the, look at that, under the pull tab. This is nice, man. And those babies don't know nothing about no J's, man, but it's something that Unc wanted to do for them, all right? And I like the tongue, too. The tongue is different. The tongue hit different on the smaller shoes. It just, 11s, man, I don't know, man. I love 11s, all right? So let's go with the 13C, all right? 13C. 13C. Ooh. Look at the 13C. That's it, y'all. Yeah. Yeah. And look, let's go ahead and get the other one back up here, the 9C. So, do y'all see something different in the back of the shoe? Uh-oh. Get up. What do y'all see different on the back? It's something that's different. Now, put that in the comment section. What's different? I tell you. The 9C have a pull tab. The 13C don't have a pull tab. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. They shouldn't have had a pull tab. They should have. Why have a pull tab like for this small shoe? Why? This one don't have a pull tab. I mean, I never known 11s to have a pull tab. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but this look whack. And you got the 2-3. I don't like this, y'all. I don't like this. Y'all comment. Y'all like this? Y'all don't care? It's okay. Why a pull tab? All right, let's keep going. I noticed another difference. Probably can't see it, but the tongue. Now, in the 13C, the tongue have a loop for your shoestrings to go into, but this one don't. And that's fine. I ain't tripping on that, okay? I ain't tripping on that, but that's the difference, okay? Both of them have a widow's peak. And y'all know, I don't know what you call these lines that go across right here where your shoestring, the eyelets, I'm assuming. But on this one you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on this one you just have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, because this is a smaller shoe. Okay. Sock liner, the same. Okay. Jumpman is white inside the sock liner, inside the insole. On the insole. Let's see. I don't know what this is right here. Okay, that ain't nothing. But I think that's about it as far as the difference between the two sizes. But what y'all think, man? Your boy rocks something like this, man. I get a shirt to go with it. Got that pink bottom. Man, these are fly. These are fly. Y'all drop a comment out there. Who all waiting on the gratitude? Who waiting on the gratitude? Who waiting on the gratitude? I was just on StockX. I see they going for about 2.5. You know what I'm saying? Who waiting on the gratitude? I remember your boy had the defining moment back in the days, man. I waited in line all night for those, man. But yeah, those days are over with. But now it's time to see how they look on feet. Let's go.
Okay, let me explain something to you. I am a vintage, mass-marketed children's toy from the 80s, standing right in front of me.
Did you miss me? It's time to play. We're friends to the end, remember? Now, here's a game I like to play. It's called Hide the Soul. And guess what? You're it.
I knew I was gonna like how they look on feet. When I first seen these shoes with that pink at the bottom, I ain't really like these shoes at first, but they grew on me, man. And I'm like, damn, why they didn't have my size? Why? Damn, man, that peach go hard, man. I wish they would have had bigger sizes like those Brilliant Orange 12s. Yeah, your boy had to get those, man. But these are dope, man. And I can't wait for Christmas to get here so I can get these to my nieces. Again, they just babies. They don't know nothing about J's, man. But, you know, it's something I wanted to do for them, all right? So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.